In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Outlook calendar to Microsoft Planner. So in order to make that happen, you need to have your Microsoft Planner ready to proceed to actually sign in or log in into your account that you have. So in this case, let me proceed to sign into my account. Just type in here your account details and then sign in. Once you have successfully logged in, you can actually see your planner schedule in Outlook. This is because Microsoft Planner is also under the Microsoft Outlook. So to add the basic plan to your Outlook calendar, you first need to head over and open the plan, and then at top of your planner board, you should be able to click on the chevron next to the plan name and click onto this add plan to Outlook calendar. And then from in there, if you're the owner of the plan, select publish, share with everyone to publish the plan to an iCalendar feed. So in there, this is what it would look like. So add the plan to the Outlook calendar with this iCalendar. Make sure to choose in here this publish. You will have in here the iCalendar link. Proceed to click onto this add to Outlook option in order to open it, and this will begin the setup for you to add your plan to your calendar. You can also open on the subscribe from web tab and change the calendar name if you would like, and select on import. Now into this part, you can also add tasks assigned to your calendar on Outlook. Open the My Tasks on Planner, select the Assign to Me tab, and then from in there, you can actually just click onto the three dots right here, add the Assign to Me task to Outlook calendar, and then from in there, just click on the Select Public and Share with anyone again. Click on Add to Outlook and subscribe from web on there as well. You can view your plan when you go over to the Other Calendars option. Select the planner task in order to see its quick view and see more details in order to view the event. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.